To fix Instagram gallery empty on your Instagram application. Today guys, I will show you how to do this. Just watch this video until the end. So let's start. First you will just open your Instagram, or you will open settings first, and on settings of your phone you will go to apps, and on apps you will scroll down and search for your Instagram application. As you see, I found it. And now what I can do, just I will go to storage, and I will go to the bottom of the screen and click on clear data. Then I will click OK or yes, and that's it. It will work with you. So I hope this video is useful for you. Do not forget to like, also to subscribe in our channel, and see you in another videos.